We've got some really cool parts we're gonna get out of here on Monday for a 527 vacuum assembly with the shells. I just thought I'd show you a little bit of our shipping area here before, but yeah, Monday we should get them out of here. They came out really nice. They're beautiful parts. They're really heavy parts. And it looks like it's gonna be kind of tough to assemble them. It has a rubber gasket that goes in there. But we made the valves, the shaft, the shells, vacuum bars. Really a nice assembly. We've got 2 more sets of the vacuum shells we're making right now. I may do a video of them inside the Matsuura. We're machining them right now. But I just wanted to show you a little bit of what we've got going out. Thanks. Happy New Year.